caught one. Did you caught one? That's one right
I don't want to be caught.
What? Can I
That kind of sucks.
Daddy, oh gosh, get back, Kenneth. Daddy hooked the tree. Come here.
Like, I ain't getting that one either. I'm gonna have to pull a tree over it.
Oh my god, I think it's about to break too. I swear to God, if you break this tree right now. Get back. Oh my God. Look at it bubbling. Oh my God. Holy shit. This is crazy.
Whoa!
Shut up. Daddy got it back.
Yeah, some bitch is heavy.
I know. I'll move it, okay?
No, don't touch it. Hey, this is nice.
It's a lot better.
Touch